Haley, what are you doing? Why are you chewing on your clothes? Haley, where's your baby? Where's your baby friend?
You don't give her exactly what she wants. She's gonna redecorate your whole office.
Hi. Hi, princess. What? Yeah? What, baby girl? Hey. Yeah? What? Hi. Girl. You gonna talk? Should we show the camera your little friend that you always smile at? So, show the camera. This is Haley's friend that she likes to smile at. That's her baby friend. Huh? That's your baby friend. What? What? Alright, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.